October 25th, 2019. Guys, there's a lot of cloud cover and a lot of rain over the southeast, and it's not going to get better anytime soon. Notice the rotation here at the surface level under these top layer of clouds. Guys, there's a lot of energy there. And if you notice some of these higher top clouds right there in southeastern Mississippi, guys, we're getting tornado warnings popping up here left and right now. This is Hattiesburg in the center of your screen. You got a flash flood warning and a tornado warning right in that same area. And there's actually 4 different tornado warnings as we let this progress through. And they're moving off to the right side of the storm. If it becomes a tropical storm, it will be Olga, O-L-G-A. But again, a lot of rotation right there and a lot of moisture being pumped up, but nowhere near what's coming. Now, here in central Mississippi, guys, it's been raining now probably 12 hours or more, maybe more than that, and everything's saturated. And looking at the radar, you wouldn't think it, but it is. And because of all of that moisture, we're setting up for these flash flood warnings to start popping up along with the tornado warnings and watches. But that's a lot of energy being moved our way, and I'm afraid that that entire line along this eastern edge of this storm is going to be a tornado alley throughout the night. And winds are sustained at 35 miles an hour and moving fast, 16 miles an hour to the north. It's going to come right across Louisiana, and by 7 a.m. in the morning, guys, this is how fast, it's going to be somewhere inside that white cone, which goes from, I guess, Monroe, Louisiana, crosses Vicksburg, and back towards Jackson, Mississippi. So overnight tonight, this thing's going to come ashore as a tropical storm. That's what the S means in that second circle. Then it will decrease in intensity to the tropical depression. But that's what it is now. We're getting these tornadoes that are kicking up. Here, the models are pretty much all aligning except for the TABS model. So to the right of the storm, where you actually see the golden T-con model, that's where the tornadoes are now. But it says, again, maximum sustained winds at 35 miles an hour with higher gust. Some strengthening is expected today, and the depression could become a tropical storm this afternoon. The cyclone is then expected to merge with a cold front and become a post-tropical low with a gale force winds tonight before the center reaches the Gulf Coast. An Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft is scheduled to investigate the depression this afternoon. Guys, this is going to be a very dangerous night. If you guys down in Hattiesburg, let me know what the power situation is right now. If because of these tornadoes and these heavy storms, a lot of times we will lose power in this area. And it's going to be moving up our way for everyone north of the Hattiesburg area. Also through Alabama tonight. So just keep an eye on it, guys. We're going to watch it. So heads up. Be safe.